आज जिला पुलवामा के बेलो राजपुरा इलाके में 183 CRPF बटालियन की तरफ से मुफ्त तिबी कैंप का इनकाद किया गया, जिसमें बेलो इलाके और इसके आसपास रहने वाले लोगों ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया। इस कैंप में CEO CRPF 183 बटालियन के साथ साथ SHO राजपुरा और बाकी CRPF के अफसरान भी मौजूद रहे। इस दौरान मकामी लोगों ने CRPF 183 बटालियन का शुक्रिया किया। मज़ीद देखते हैं इस वाक़े की रिपोर्ट में।
We are organizing this medical simulation program again here in this Bellow as per requirement of the local peoples. Whether before undergoing this kind of medical simulation program, I used to consult my OC Bellow, Balgotra, and even HHO of Raspura police station. He is with me here. So whatever they have given me suggestions that sir, we can conduct medical simulation program in Bellow area because there are some patients who can't afford even to buy medicines. So accordingly, I have consulted with my seniors, and today we are organizing medical simulation program, giving free medicals to the patient, and we have requested the district medical officers to provide us medical officers to assist my medical officers. Accordingly, they have provided one medical officer from Bellow Primary Health Sub-Centers and one lady medical officer from Raspura, and with their medical staff. So you must be seeing here, they have very good response from these locals. We'll continue to this kind of medical simulation program to meet the needy and requirement of the poor who are residing here in this Bellow area, because it comes under my area of responsibility. I came along with me. It'll be better if you could kindly get some information from HHO for us also, Mr. Jafar, who knows the area more than me, and he has suggested me to organize this medical simulation program also.